The scaffolding must be designed and built in compliance with current legislation, accompanied by a technical project, PIMUS, assembly, use and dismantling plan, and ministerial authorization. All assembly, use and dismantling operations must be carried out by qualified and authorized personnel, with appropriate training. The use of personal protective equipment is mandatory: helmet, safety shoes, gloves, fall arrest harnesses and lanyards with energy absorbers. Assembly of the scaffolding. Check of the installation area. Before assembly, the area must be inspected to verify the stability of the ground and the absence of obstacles or interference. Any slopes must be leveled or compensated with special support devices. Positioning of the elements. The scaffolding bases must be installed on solid and stable surfaces, using suitable support plates. The scaffolding anchors must be made following the technical project, ensuring that they are fixed to structures suitable for holding the loads. Mandatory components. All structural elements, uprights, crosspieces, diagonals, must be assembled according to the project specifications and in compliance with the PIMUS. Parapets, toeboards, and continuous work surfaces without discontinuities or open spaces must be installed. Final check. A qualified professional must check the scaffolding at the end of assembly to ensure its conformity and safety. Use of the scaffolding. Access and transit. Access to the scaffolding is permitted only via ladders or systems designed to ensure safety and stability. It is forbidden to use the scaffolding for purposes not envisaged by the project, e.g. storage of heavy materials or excessive point loads. Prohibitions during use. It is forbidden to overload the scaffolding beyond the load limits indicated in the technical project. It is not permitted to make changes to the scaffolding without the prior approval of the Safety Coordinator, CSE, or the Works Manager, DL. Risk protection. During use, any open spaces or discontinuities in the work surfaces must be immediately eliminated. In the case of work in areas adjacent to the scaffolding, protection systems must be installed, such as stone guards or valances, to prevent the fall of materials. Dismantling of the scaffolding. Planning. Before starting dismantling, an operational plan must be drawn up that follows the provisions of the PIMUS. Dismantling procedures. Dismantling must be carried out in the reverse order to assembly, progressively removing the components from top to bottom. It is forbidden to leave parts of the scaffolding unstable or unsecured during operations. Materials management. The dismantled materials must be stored in dedicated areas, maintaining order and safety. It is forbidden to throw materials from above. Suitable systems for ground transport must be used, e.g. pulleys, hoists. Final check. After dismantling, the work area must be restored and cleared of debris or obstacles. Scaffolding, if used correctly and maintained in good condition, is an indispensable tool for safety when working at height. Complying with regulations, carrying out periodic checks and ensuring conscious use are fundamental actions to prevent accidents and ensure worker protection. Safety is not a document, it is a commitment. Your life and that of your colleagues are our goal. But also yours.